Hello guys, welcome back to JOYROOM official channel. This is Ivy, and today I'm very happy because today is Thanksgiving Day, and thanks for you watching JOYROOM video, and thanks for your support our brand. Also today I have a Thanksgiving gift for you guys. Also it's our hot selling product in the future. Please remember this model. Okay, here is D-QP182. Please remember this model because it's not just a good function and also is surprising price. It will be the hot selling power bank in the future. And why is QP182? It's not just to support faster charger for iPhone, it's also for Huawei, Xiaomi, Samsung, and other mainstream mobile phone. It have over power protection inside, and it have LED light short power rate, and it also very smaller, can take it portable when you travel. Right inside power bank user manual, and with cables it can use very convenient. Okay, we can see it close. Diligent. Show the light, show the power rate, and JOYROOM. Wow. Output. Its output also is input. It's two-way. You can use with your friend in the same time. I like the white color. And also many friends may asking for the black color. We also have black color. I will show you. Okay, here is black color, and we can see the black details. Wow, it's light, very shining. High grade material, you can touch very smooth. And white color and black color, which one you prefer? Maybe you can choose two for your friend, for yourself.
Use the Type-C to lighting for iPhone 11. Use the fast charging USB, and this is magnetic cables. And we can charge, and this charge at the same time. Okay, we already start charging.
I already bought it. One white for myself, one black for my friend. Why I chose it? Because I want to use the PD fast charger for my new iPhone, and it can save my time. It's simple design. It's very simple, but it's powerful function. It can charge my phone for 2 or 3 times. And it's very portable, it's very thin. It's easy to put my bag. And when I go shopping, meeting, travel, everywhere, it's easy to take it. You can borrow one for your friend, for yourself. Okay, this is the video today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.